There has never been a better time to be in the travel industry. With demand at an all-time high, experienced travel professionals need the right tools, technology, and support to thrive. If you're looking for a host that empowers your success, Cruise Planners is the clear choice. As the premier travel franchise network in the country, Cruise Planners provides award-winning marketing, industry-leading professional development, and best-in-industry technology to help advisors work smarter and boost sales. Our proprietary AI suite, including Ask Maxx and Maxx Intelligence, integrates seamlessly into your workflow, delivering real-time insights, automation, and personalized client data. We provide hands-on training and direct access to top industry executives, leading suppliers, and exclusive networking opportunities, helping advisors build credibility and stay ahead in the travel industry. Our comprehensive training program includes ongoing one-on-one business development coaching and a dedicated support team, ensuring you have the resources to grow your business with confidence. Franchise Business Review recognized Cruise Planners as best in category for 3 consecutive years and ranked us number 2 in the top 200 franchises overall. Cruise Planners also earned a 99% franchise owner satisfaction score in their franchise satisfaction report and was named a top low-cost franchise, top franchise for veterans, and top franchise for women. Entrepreneur Magazine named Cruise Planners the #1 travel franchise for 18 consecutive years in a row and recently ranked for fastest-growing franchises. Industry-leading technology that lets you work from anywhere includes a robust, custom-built CRM and booking system, agent and client mobile apps, marketing automation programs, and other tools to make you efficient. Award-winning marketing to attract new customers includes direct mail programs, email and social media, a biannual magazine, and on-demand printing. At Cruise Planners, your success is our top priority. Unlike some hosts, our home office does not sell travel. We're here to support you, not compete against you. Our focus is on equipping you with the best tools, training, and technology so you can thrive as an independent travel advisor. For more information, please visit cruiseplannersfranchise.com.